To check which version of iOS your iPhone is running, go to Settings, General, and tap the About section. Here you'll see your current iOS version, and if you tap it, you'll see the release notes and a link to the full list of changes introduced with this software version. The About section shows a lot of useful information about your iPhone, and if you'd like to check for new updates, you can go back and tap Software Update. Your iPhone will often install smaller software updates automatically when plugged into power, but sometimes bigger updates require you to come here to manually install them. Mine, for example, is pending this iOS 26.2 update, so I can choose to update it now or later tonight. If I choose later, my iPhone will try to automatically update tonight, assuming it's plugged into power and has enough free space for the update. If your phone doesn't have enough free space for the update, I have a video for that. Check it out and leave a comment if you have any questions. And before you head out, take a look at my iOS playlist for more easy guides like this. Thanks all. Until next time.